Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the list of best WordPress form builder plugins. Forms are the backbone of your website. Whether you are collecting leads, managing inquiries, or processing payments, the right form builder can transform your workflow. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 WordPress forms plugins and reveal the best one to supercharge your website. Stick around, there is an exciting deal waiting for you. So let's start with the best, Fluent Forms, the ultimate form builder plugin. With its drag and drop simplicity, over 60 pre-built templates and unmatched advanced features like conditional logic and multi-column layouts, it's ideal for any website. Right now, Fluent Forms is available at a massive discount. Make sure to check the video description. And after comparing all the forms, you will find that Fluent Forms pricing plans are comparatively better, and you can save a good amount of money when you will get many interactive features compared to other forms. The next form in our list is WP Forms. Known for its beginner-friendly interface, WP Forms allow you to create contact, registration, and payment forms quickly. It supports popular integrations like Stripe and PayPal, but advanced features often requires paid plans, which can get pricey compared to Fluent Forms. The next one in this list of best WordPress form builder plugin is Gravity Forms. For those needing advanced functionality, Gravity Forms offer multi-page forms, numeric calculations, and file uploads. However, it's a premium only plugin starting at $59 per year, which limits its accessibility compared to Fluent Forms value packed free and paid versions. Next one is Formidable Forms. Designed for developers, Formidable Forms provides tools for building surveys, custom post types, and data visualization. Unlocking its best features requires premium plans starting $39.50 per year, making Fluent Forms the best choice for the most users. The last one in this list is Ninja Forms. Ninja Forms integrates well with the email marketing and CRMs, streamlining workflows for businesses. Its free version is helpful, but most advanced features are available only on the paid plans only. That means if you compare to Fluent Forms, again Fluent Forms is better than even Ninja Forms. So let's conclude this video. When it comes to perfect blend of features, ease of use, and unbeatable pricing, Fluent Forms is the clear winner. Don't miss out. There's a massive discount running right now. Check the video description, grab Fluent Forms today, and transform your website effortlessly. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.